Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete a Tinder account. So it's pretty simple to delete a Tinder account, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, just remember this: once you delete a Tinder account, the Tinder premium which you currently have, it's also going to be deleted and you can't recover it again. Alright, and all of your chat and the profiles you have liked or the people you're talking with, all of those information are also going to be deleted. So once your account is deleted, you can't recover those information as well. All right, so you need to keep that in mind as well. So if you're ready to delete a Tinder account, you have to be ready to face these problems. All right, now if you're okay with that, then let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, click on the profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to your profile. Now once you're over here, you wanna go on settings. Now once you're over here on settings, scroll all the way down over here at the bottom. Now once you're over here at the bottom, you can see delete my account, the last option. Click on it. Once you click on it, do not click on pause my account. Pause my account means your account is gonna be paused, but once you log in, it's gonna restart again. Alright, so don't click on that. Click on delete my account, which is right below pause my account. Now once you're over here, you can choose the option on why you wanted to delete your account, or you can just click on skip, which is at the top right corner of your screen. It's a bit like not highlighted, so most people, like, they don't see it, but you can see it at the top right. Click on skip and choose delete my account. Once you click on delete my account, your account will be deleted. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can delete a Tinder account. It's that simple. But I don't want to delete my account, so I'm not just gonna click on it. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I'll see you guys on my future video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.